As you all know, there are a number of decentralized exchanges, but most of them didn't perform well or charge huge sum of money in transaction. But in this video, I will introduce latest platform for all of you. It's 100% decentralized and all your keys, assets will be in your hands. So stay tuned if you want to know more about this project.
Feel uninvited.
Sovereign is a non-custodial and permissionless smart contract based system for the Bitcoin lending, borrowing and margin trading. With Sovereign, you can perform the margin trades for the Bitcoin with up to 5x leverage, swap between Bitcoin, stablecoins and other tokenized assets, and lend Bitcoin, tokens or stablecoins to earn some good amount of interest. Sovereign is built on the Rootstock Bitcoin sidechain, which is validated by Bitcoin POW miners, while also compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. Sovereign has the best of both worlds: Bitcoin security with solidity, smart contracts, and the transactions are swift and low gas. Nowadays, the big issue which everyone is facing, especially in the DeFi products, is basically the fee. For example, if you are using any type of DeFi exchange based on Ethereum, then you have to pay a huge amount of fee, and even on the Bitcoin. But this platform Sovereign is guaranteeing you that you don't have to pay much fee, and I will also share about the fee structure which you have to pay to trade, swap and lending on the Sovereign platform. In beginning, I missed one thing, that is that the Sovereign is entirely unique and even you can say much higher from other decentralized platform. I will tell you something about the liquidity providers. Basically, the liquidity providers can provide the liquidity to the Sovereign Swap AMM. Unlike most other AMMs such as Uniswap, LPs are not required to deposit both assets into a pool. They can add only one or both. Sovereign Swap uses the oracles to rebase the ratio between the tokens, eliminating most of the possibility for the impermanent loss. Sovereign Swap collects a fee on each side of the swap, which is distributed to the LPs. Currently, this fee is set at 0.1%. It is entirely low. The Sovereign protocol collects a fee on each trade that is performed. This fee is currently set to 0.15%, not even the 1%. So that is such a great thing. And here you can see you can even trade long and short. Simply you have to connect the wallet and you can use this entire exchange. It is such a great thing for everyone. And the Sovereign protocol already provides the tools for the Bitcoin native trading, lending and leverage. Each of these financial applications are carried out in a permissionless manner. It means you don't have to ask anyone that I want to take the withdrawal, I want to deposit something. No need to do anything. All the things will be in your hands. Your keys, your assets, everything is in your hands, because this is the main motto of the Sovereign protocol. Each of these financial applications are carried out in a permissionless manner and secured by the Bitcoin blockchain through the Rootstock RSK merge mining. And very soon, the Sovereign Bitcoin will enable anyone to build EVM compatible smart contracts that are secured by the Bitcoin Proof of Work POW. Users will be able to transmit the value of their Bitcoin for the use in day-to-day payments without having to sell their digital gold. And these EVM compatible smart contracts are integrated to provide a bridge from the Ethereum development community to Bitcoin layer 2. Sovereign provides the financial operating system that bridges the blockchains, expands the level of decentralization and keeps the Bitcoin the sovereign money that it is. even when it's put to use in financial applications. Here comes the link. If you want to buy the coin, simply you have to click on this link and then you will be able to buy it. At this time, you have the chance to use this entire decentralized platform, but before buying anything, you have to read all the things because this platform is entirely unique. And as I told you, the team is not charging anything. Basically, the fee is entirely low according to any other decentralized platform, and it is one of the best Bitcoin decentralized exchange for you, and you must have to use it at least once. Now, main two things which I want to add here, that is about the security. Sovereign undergoes ongoing security audits from the multiple auditors and maintains a bug bounty. Sovereign will continuously add secure oracles for greater decentralization. So it's a permissionless trading tool for secure swaps, leverage trading, and crypto lending. So enjoy this entire platform. It's a great thing for all of you, especially the traders who love to trade on decentralized exchanges. So this exchange is for you. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and share it with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.